TransferWise money tutorial, how to sign up for TransferWise and how to use TransferWise. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can sign up with TransferWise to transfer money around the world, to transfer money to your customers or maybe your family member that lives abroad. So what you can do is you can simply sign up for TransferWise. TransferWise is world's leading money transfer option for you to send money abroad fast. So in order to sign up for TransferWise, the main thing is the signing up process. That's what takes longer and it's really difficult sometimes. If you are a complete beginner, using TransferWise is really easy. You simply transfer money, you get the option to deposit money, and we get a lot of different options to deposit money in TransferWise. You can deposit with your directly through your bank account. You can transfer from another platform that you're using, your PayPal, Stripe, and others. And then we also have our contacts that we can add, and we don't need to add a new contact every time. You can save them and then you can send them money every time. So this is how TransferWise works. And then there is a different exchange rate, of course, but the exchange rate is actually pretty reasonable and the fee is minimum. So let's start with the process. The first thing is going to be signing up for TransferWise. Simply go to wise.com and you will land right here. So TransferWise actually is available in all of the countries around the world. You can actually select your country from here and you will be able to see if it's available in your region or not. So if it's available in your region, then that's a good thing. You will be able to create your own account and you can actually create multi-currency account with Wise. We have more than one currency in which we can save our money. So you can create a personal account or a business account. If you are an individual, a freelancer, or a person who's going to be using Wise for just, their personal use, then you should definitely go with a personal account. If you are a team looking to do transactions, with your clients that live abroad, then you can use it for business. You have to create a personal account and I will show you how to register. Simply click right here and now it will allow you to create your own Wise account. Simply enter your email address. You can also create your Wise account with your Google account, Facebook, and Apple. The process is going to be same because they will be fetching your email from Google or Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and type in an email address right here and click on next. Now you have to select that what kind of account you are creating. We can create a personal account or we can go with a business account. So if you're going to do more international work, then you can go with the business account. But keep in mind, you will have to provide your business information, all of it. And you cannot transfer money if you do not provide your personal ID. And we actually have to verify because we're dealing with money, right? So make sure that you don't add any wrong information. Your name should be correct and your email address, your business information. So I'm going to go ahead and create a personal account. Then you have to select your primary residence and of course you will select where you live. Don't go with the wrong information. I am saying it again and again because then you will not be able to receive money or send money with TransferWise. And you will simply enter your phone number here. They will send you a verification code. Once you have the verification code, you will be able to set a password. So once you do the verification, then you will be logged into your TransferWise. In TransferWise, you will find the option of deposit, withdraw, and transfer money as well. But before you transfer or before you deposit money, you will actually have to verify your account. And in order to do so, you will have to provide your ID or your passport. Once you do that, then they will verify your account. Let me show you how you can transfer money on TransferWise. Let's say that my account is in USD. You can actually have account in any of the currency. Let's go with USD. Now, I want to convert 500 USD into euros. So I will simply select right here. Or maybe let's go ahead and transfer our USD to Chinese yuan. So you can see right here, 500 USD will be 3,000 Chinese yuan. If you want to send money to China, then this is what you will have to do. And this is going to be your total fee, which is going to be $7 for 500 USD. Now, let's say that I want to transfer money from euro, Indian rupee. So you can see right here that 500 euro is going to be 40,000 Indian rupees. And again, I can actually transfer, maybe select USD here. And this is what USD will be in Indian rupees. So this is how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from one currency to another. Wise is also available in different languages. So if you do not want to use it in English, you can use it in your language. You can also compare the prices with Wise. You can see right here, Wise is actually pretty reasonable when it comes to the pricing. There is also a mobile app available so that you can access your Wise on your mobile phone and transfer money very easily. If you're thinking that if Wise is protected, then it is. Wise protects your money by extra secure transactions, data protection, dedicated anti fraud team, and other options. So don't worry, your money will be saved. And you can also go ahead and get your local bank details on your Wise as well and convert your money very easily. Once you know how to create your account, then using Wise is really easy. We get our home option, then you will find your activities, transaction, and a send button. When you click on send, then you will be able to simply add the account details where you want to send money and simply start sending money with TransferWise. When it comes to the registering for Wise, it is completely free. If you want to get your own card, then you will actually have to pay 1.75% fee. Holding money is also completely free, and receiving money is also free. When you will be sending money on TransferWise, there is going to be a 0.41% fee. And you can simply select your country from here and you will be able to check your fee. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to sign up for TransferWise and how to use TransferWise. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.